OnePlus Nord. So this is one of those smartphones which a lot of you have been waiting for quite a long time, ever since there were rumors that OnePlus is bringing a mid-range smartphone in the flagship category, or rather the flagship experience. So there has been a lot of rumors since this came up. Then we had the confirmation from OnePlus that the name is in fact OnePlus Nord. So initially it was called the OnePlus Z, but finally we got the name that this is OnePlus Nord. So this is one of those devices in the mid-range segment which people have been eagerly waiting because of the processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor and OnePlus Oxygen OS. So whole lot of features are included in this device, and we don't know the pricing yet as of making this video, but expect this to be anywhere between the 25k to 30k price segment. Anything below would be an awesome deal, that's what we feel. So now we have the OnePlus Nord with us. So this is the box package. So this is a special media box. You can see that OnePlus Nord is mentioned here. So you can see that OnePlus Nord mentioned here. So this is the media box, and you can also see that on the side it's mentioned a smartphone with a smooth experience, powerful camera and exceptional quality. That's the OnePlus Nord. So this is not a standard box package, this is the media kit. So this won't be the one which will sell in retail. So this is a special box package. So before going to the actual device unboxing, we'll just show you what comes inside this box. So you get the OnePlus Nord. So this is the OnePlus Nord. So there you go. You can see the OnePlus Nord mentioned here. Then you get 3 cases for this device. So there you go. You can see 3 cases. So it comes in 3 colors, the blue color, and then you get the black and the clear case. So these are the 3 cases included in the box package. So now let's get started with the detailed unboxing, and we'll show you the cases, the specifications, features, everything we'll explain in this unboxing video. So let's get started. So this is the box package of the Nord. So you can see here Nord mentioned here, OnePlus logo. The back of the box mentions the details. So you can see that this is the 128 in fact the 256 GB storage variant, 12 gigs of RAM, and we have the blue marble variant, and you can see the SAR value 1.08 is the SAR value, and the body SAR is 0.78, that's the SAR value, and the pricing is not mentioned on this box package. So let's see what all comes inside the box. So let's open the OnePlus Nord box package. So there you go, that's the beautiful OnePlus Nord. So you can see here this way Nord. So there you go, the blue variant, it looks gorgeous. So we'll come back to the device in a while. So let's take this out. So there you go, let's see what else comes inside this box package. So you get this welcome letter, so Nord welcome letter. Then you get this case. So you can see here there is a pattern on the back of the case. So there is a pattern, you can see that some cutout for the camera unit. So it looks really good. Now let's see what comes inside this. So there are few stickers included. So these are some stickers: quick start guide, safety information, and the Red Cable Club membership. So you get this membership also is included here. Then the details about the SAR value, which all countries have the highest SAR. Then you get this cable, the USB-C type cable for charging and data single, the standard cable, and finally you get the Warp 30T charger. So this is the Warp charger. So it's 5 volt 6 ampere max. So that's the Warp 30T charger included with the box package. So you also get a SIM ejector pin in the box. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the OnePlus Nord. You can see that the gorgeous looking device out there. We have the dual selfie camera. It's a 6.44 inches full HD fluid AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate, and you can see that it looks really good in terms of the display quality. Extremely responsive display. Now the most important aspect is the back panel. It looks gorgeous actually. It's a glossy finish, and we have that quad camera setup. We have a Sony IMX586 sensor, f-stop 1.75 aperture, an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel macro sensor, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor is included. Now if you look at the front camera, it's a dual selfie camera. It is a 32 megapixel Sony IMX616 sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera for wide angle selfie. So that's the camera setup. It looks like a very impressive camera setup. So we'll be having the detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for those videos. So overall the device definitely looks great. It's a really premium offering. You can see that the side panel has the power key and the light slider, and we have the volume keys on the left side. The bottom section houses the USB Type-C port, the speaker unit, and the SIM tray. The top panel does not have any openings. So the in-hand feel is something which is really good on this device. You can see the glass finishing looks really great. The look and feel, the in-hand feel, the compactness, everything looks really great. And this is available in blue marble and grey onyx. So those are the two variants, and it comes in 8GB RAM as well as 12 gigs of storage, 128GB internal storage, and 256GB internal storage, UFS 2.1 storage, and there is in-display fingerprint scanner also included. So that's the primary hardware offered. Now this is running on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor, and we have the OnePlus Oxygen OS. So this is the Oxygen OS. So if you go to the about phone, you can see that Snapdragon 765G and 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. There is 48 megapixel camera, optical image stabilization is included, 90 Hz refresh rate, and then we have the Oxygen OS 10.5 included. So that's the software. So it has the Oxygen OS, so that's one of the important aspects, because it's one of the really smooth experience on an Android smartphone. So it has a 90 Hz refresh rate and looks really great. And the battery is at 4115 mAh, that's 4115 mAh capacity battery, and there is Warp 30T charging also included. So overall this device looks like a really stunning device in terms of the experience, the look and feel. The cameras are something which is really good. We'll be testing the cameras later, so stay tuned for our detailed camera review coming up. We'll be doing the gaming video as well, so stay tuned for all those videos. So before closing the video, we'll just have a quick look at the cases available, or rather the cases offered with the box package. So as I said before, there are 3 cases available. So let's have a look at the cases. So these are the 3 cases available for the Nord, the official cases. So these were included as a part of the media kit, as I said before. So this is the blue variant. So you can see here, it's a very solid case. It's not a, it's a hard plastic, and this is a matte finish actually. It looks really good. We'll talk about the cases later. So this is another one. This is again the black variant, and this is the crystal clear. And you can see that again all of them are hard cases, which looks really good. So we'll talk about the cases later in our different video. So that is unboxing and hands-on with the OnePlus Nord. We will update once we get hold of the pricing. So expect this to be around 25 to 30k price segment. So it looks really good in terms of the hardware being offered. So stay tuned for our detailed review coming up later. So this was unboxing and hands-on with the OnePlus Nord. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.